Hey guys, welcome back. Imagine that you are raising an IT ticket support. Okay, for example, this is a site here for the IT operations, and here you can see a new request action there. Now let's give the title for our issue. Let's say the title is something like this, like my VPN stopped working after today's update. I selected the category as VPN. Priority is very high because this is a blocker. Let's give the same description and let's click on submit the request. Now, normally what will happen once a request is submitted? Now, what will happen for this ticket? Basically, what will happen is this ticket will get assigned to someone, some IT engineer, and they will go through that ticket, and whatever the attachments we have provided or whatever things we have provided, they will go through that, and based on their analysis, they will check any past incident have been resolved or not. Based on that, they will give the feedback. But what if an AI agent could do that first? So what we have done here is we have created an AI agent here which will read your ticket. So it could understand your request, whatever the request that you have provided, and it will also check the previous incidents as well related to your issues. Apart from that, it will also check the documentation which is available in order to resolve the issue, and based on that, it will give you the resolution. And that's what we are going to look into this demo here. So here you can see that in the latest release, Appian has given the functionality to add Appian tools as well there, and multiple Appian tools are available for the AI agents. Like you can add documents, document folder, you can add process model, you can add record type, you can add. So we have tried to add the same for our this POC as well. So what we have done here is, in our site you can see there is a knowledge base, and we want that AI agent that look at this knowledge base and try to refer the data what has been provided in this knowledge base. And this is the all request ticket, so check this as well for the historical references. And how we have done this? So here you can see this is the add tool option there. So this is the Appian tool, and here we have added three tools which are configured here, like ISH request. So this is the request for the historical references, this is the request documents, and this is the knowledge base which has been added to refer the all the resolution steps as well. And based on that, it is going to give the response here, and this is the prompt that we have provided here. So in order to understand the prompt, I have just added a modular structure there. See, first of all, you have to define the role, like what this AI agent has to do. So we see here, you are an AI-powered IT helpdesk assistant. So we define the role there. After that, we have to define task, that what this AI agent has to do. So here you can see, like understand users issue, search the knowledge base, identify the root cause, give the best resolution, and finally we have defined the tools, which is the most important part of this POC, like where it should get the information from. So it is getting the information using the three tools that we have defined there, like the record types and the knowledge base. Okay, after that, the decision rule, like based on how it will prioritize the issue, what can say and what it cannot say, how the output will come, that we have already done in our first POC as well for the AI agent. And finally, like how each field and what are the values it is going to return. So here you can see these are the rules, because it is very important to set them, otherwise it can hallucinate as well. Okay, and this is the output format in which it has to give the structure. Okay, and some rules as well we have defined, that the integer value range should be what. Okay, so we have defined with more information, the more information you give, the better it will become. Okay, and all these rules we have defined. So now let's check whether our IT request have been processed or not. So this is our dashboard here, and let's go to 28 and see, I just submitted the request, and after that I have got my summary. Like see here, it is giving that users VPN stopped functioning immediately after Windows update was preventing corporate resource. This is a known issue where Windows users can disrupt VPN client compatibility, and this is the root cause it has given. Not only that, it has also given you the suggested solution. Okay, all the step by step you have to follow this, and once you are done with that, let's say like user can add a comment that okay, will go through it, something like this one means normal IT service request will follow. Let's say that I am 100% satisfied with that one, so I can mark as resolved as well. Let's say that I'm not satisfied, so I can create an IT ticket for that as well, and rest of the process will follow as it is. So this is a complete end-to-end solution. And now let's go in our process that how our agent have performed. So this is the process for that. Let's open the process instances for this one. And here you can see that first of all what all the requests have come. So this is the history tab for this one. So my VPN stopped working, that's what we have provided here. After that it has execute the AI agent, it has given a run summary as well for that one. So you can see this is the complete run summary here, and after that it has given the list of the issue here, like this is the AI summary, AI root cause, resolution, confidence score is 88, which is good, status is partially resolved, and this is the resolution notes. So exact in the same way as we have defined in our AI agent prompt, in the same way it has given us the response as well here. And finally once it is done, all these changes, it has updated the status as well there. So here you will be able to see the complete detail there. So for this tutorial we will be building this whole application from scratch. We will build the knowledge base for there, we will complete the request tab in this, okay, and then we will finally build the dashboard there. So here you can see all these request tabs are there. The status has become now AI analyzed here, confidence score is 88%. So in this way it is considering all the possible cases, but we have only looked at what it does. The most interesting part is that building this AI agent on your own and implementing this AI agent in the workflow as well, because the more you will build, the better you will understand how your agents are performing there. So if you want to build this yourself, make sure to follow the series. I will see you in the first tutorial. So that was all for now guys. Thank you.